Okay, just to show you right here, I'm using the S tool. This is a S tool. This is a syrup separator, and it's used on these model the 150 units. And as you can see, I have a very good water to syrup ratio right there. That's 5 to 1. So that one's looking good. So I'm going to check out the rest of them and just to see. And that CO2 level that they have, I right now I'm not seeing an issue, but I'm going to check out the rest of those and then we'll go from there. That's the cherry cream flavor. You can see that level is very good. This is our cola flavor. This is at a good level. I had to make some adjustments. For those of you that aren't familiar with these valves, these UF1 valves, these are electronic valves. They have an electric switch that activates the coil and opens up the valve and closes it electronically. This is your water side, this is your syrup side, and you would adjust to the right, turning to the right to increase, turn to the left to decrease your water or your flavor. This is your Cola Light flavor, and that one is good as well. I had to make some adjustments on that one, but that's your Cola Light. Okay, this is the Blood Orange flavor. As you can see, that one is at a good level. I had to make adjustments on that, so that Brix is good. This is the lemongrass flavor, and I just adjusted that Brix level, so the lemongrass flavor is all set. Just gonna put the covers back on. Those are all set, and you can see the lemongrass flavor is good to go. So we should be all set with that. I'm going to go ahead and button this up and let the manager know that everything has been taken care of as far as the leak that they had and the carbonation issue. Should be good to go.